Hello everyone, welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is migration of India's deadliest snakes. This topic relates to the environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. A recent study highlights the migration of India's big four snake species towards northern and northeastern regions due to climate change. This shift will increase the risk of snake bites in these areas, potentially impacting public health and snakebite management efforts. Now, let's discuss the key points of study. The study projects that due to changing climate conditions, the big four snake species responsible for most snakebite fatalities in India will migrate to northern and northeastern regions. The snake species will see a reduction in suitable habitats in their current areas, while new habitats will develop in states like Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. India is the most vulnerable country in Asia and responsible for nearly half of the global snake bites fatalities. The study calls for coordinated interventions from the government, health organizations, and international community to effectively manage snake bites, a neglected tropical disease in India. Celebrate Teachers' Day with Drishti Teaching Exams. We are offering an exciting sale with up to 50% off all online courses of Drishti Teaching Exams. Plus, enjoy a 25% discount on books and test series. This amazing offer is valid only on 5th and 6th of September, so don't miss out. For more details, call us at 87501-87501. Now, let's discuss the big four snake species. These four, collectively known as the Big Four, not for their size, but for their spread and lethality. 1. Common krait, typically found in scrub jungles and sandy areas. 2. Russell's viper. This species thrives in a wide range of habitats, often including urbanized areas. 3. Saw-scaled viper. Inhabits both desert regions and dense grasslands. 4. Indian cobra. Commonly found in forests, grasslands, and agricultural lands. Now it's time to practice a question. Consider the following statements. 1. The big four snake species in India is responsible for most snakebite fatalities. 2. The Indian python is among the big four. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comments section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.